Alright, so these are cool. Quadratic functions or quadratic equations. You'll use these a lot, so check this out, pay attention. Quadratic function will take this form. F of x or y, whatever the case may be, equals a x squared plus bx plus c. And all that really means is some coefficient times x squared plus some coefficient times x plus some constant. So, for example, um, it could be something like y equals x squared plus 2x plus 3. And my a in this case, quote unquote, is 1. There's like a hidden 1 here. That's the coefficient. B is 2. And c is 3. I could also have it something like y equals 2x squared plus 7, and my a in this case would be 2. B would be actually 0. You can imagine there's kind of an invisible 0 times x here, and then my c is 7, or could have been y equals 2x squared. The absolutely critical thing is that there is something x squared and nothing higher than x squared. 2x cubed plus 1x squared would not be a quadratic function. Okay, so and that's why they're called second degree polynomials. Their highest exponent is 2. And cool thing about quadratic functions is when you graph them, they form a parabola like that. So here's your standard. I think that's the y equals x squared. And you'll see crazy ones like that. You'll even have upside down ones like that. If it's like y equals negative x squared, stuff like that. So key thing is that it's something x squared, and you might have plus something else x, and you might have a constant in there too. But it's important to have that x squared in there, and that's why it's called the quadratic function. Quad means square. Like you might have heard of a place called the Quad. Like go out to the Quad. It's like the square-shaped place. Anyway, I did when I was in college. Called the North Quad. Anyway, not really important. Quad means square, and it's got quad like 4, like quattro. Okay. Anyway, I'm getting off tangent. Quadratic functions are awesome, and I hope you enjoy them.